Square root of 64 divided 1 upon 2 times 2. How do you solve this? So as per order of operation, we first solve parenthesis. In this question, there is no parenthesis. After parenthesis, we solve exponents, orders, indices, roots. Then comes multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. However, this multiplication, division, we group them together and solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. For example, if you get 5 divided 2 times 3, then it is not 2 times 3 is 6, then 5 divided by 6 is 5 upon 6. Because as per PEMDAS, if you just follow the letters, you will do multiplication first. But if you just follow the letters in which M is written first and then there is D, then you will do the mistake of doing this multiplication first. Because this multiplication division, they have equal priority and we solve them from left to right. So from left to right, we have division first. So it will be 5 upon 2, then times 3. Then it is 15 upon 2 and not 5 upon 6. So here, since there is no parenthesis but there is root, so we will do root first. Square root of 64 is 8, then divided 1 upon 2 times 2. Now from left to right, we have division first, so it will be 8 multiplied. We convert division into multiplication and the fraction after that gets inverted. That means you have to write the reciprocal of 1 upon 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2 will be 2, then times 2. Now all are multiplication, we can multiply them. So answer is 32. What is your answer and how did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.